Hey friends, I am so excited to share this recipe with you. A few months ago, I scored some great deals at Harvey's on sirloin steaks. I'm throwing them in my crock pot. I've never cooked a steak in a crock pot, but I'm going for it. The weather's nasty and messy here, so here you go. I'm going to do some salt, pepper, and a few seasonings on these. I've already sprayed my crock pot. I've got some garlic powder I'm just going to rub on there, throw on there. Like I said, these were on sale. I was so tickled to find them. I threw them in my freezer and was digging in my freezer and thought, what? I've got these. Let's make them. I mean, they're different sizes. So after I've added my dry seasoning, I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce, some A1, just a few dashes of both here. And I don't know about y'all, but I love A1 sauce. And A1 sauce and Worcestershire together just is like heaven. I've taken 2 cups of just the old powdered gravy mix here. Easy breezy, y'all. I'm just using some, I think it's McCormick. McCormick gravy. I'm going to turn on low and let it cook all day long. I'm taking them out of the crock pot and shredding them. They were fork tender, y'all. And I'm just going to put them back in that gorgeous, amazing gravy. I'm going to make up a huge pot of rice and serve this over rice mixed in. Delicious. Served it with some yeast rolls and sauteed green beans. So good. Try it, y'all, and let me know what you think.